Ontario, Canada snowstorm. Last night at 11 o'clock, snow and rain were mixing together and it was getting dangerous. And we're expecting high speeds of winds later today. And this is nothing. Later today, it's gonna be a lot of snow. Look at how much snow are on the cars. Oh my goodness. It's gonna get dangerous. Look how much snow is on the charger. Goodness. Let's go for a walk. Which way should we go? Well, let's go this way. It's snowing crazy. Look at how much snow there is on the tree. Look how much snow there is. Oh my goodness. Let's turn around. I can't imagine people driving on the highway later today. Well, what can you say? It's Canada. Look at that chunk of snow. There's so much snow. Look at all this slush right here. My goodness, I just walked right into it. Oh God. These plants are poking. Let's make a goal. Let's get to at least 1,000 subscribers by January. Come on, we can do it. Imagine how cold it's gonna be in Toronto today. squeeze through. Let's go in the backyard. Look at what happened in the backyard. It's crazy. Oh, come on. Don't tell me it's locked. It's locked. Let's go from in front of the house. Look. From the last storm, our basketball net fell. Oh my goodness. It broke. That's how windy it was. And look at the trees. They look so good. They look so beautiful. The backyard is full of snow. It's like, dang. Look, I stepped in it and this is how deep it is. And it's not even all the way. And this is just the deck. I can't imagine how much snow there is over there. Right. Well, let's see if we survive. And look at this. These look so beautiful as well. Oh my goodness. Look at the tree. Oh my goodness. Everywhere. Well, we'll keep you posted. Bye.